Here's a 2016 Ford C-Max Energi, the plug-in hybrid that's actually fun to drive. This C-Max Energi has loads of style, lots of space, and the ability of an all-electric experience. It comes with all the amenities you need: AM/FM satellite radio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.